What's good, YouTube? It's Jiggy Tech back at you live with a new and important video that a lot of you people need who are finishing up the school year. A lot of you people are done with college, most of you, and a lot of people are getting done with high school this month coming up. So if you're graduating, congratulations, have fun. Today I'm going to show you how to show your parents fake grades and essentially change what you see on your screen. So here we have my first semester grades, which were not too bad. But hey, we all heard it before. Jiggy, get straight A's. We'll get you the new car you want. Jiggy, do this. We'll get you this. Yeah, okay. That's not happening. Hey, we can make it happen. That's what we do, you know? So what you want to do here is highlight that grade that you want to change. Right click on it. Right click on it and inspect it. Once you hit that, here's all the code on the right side of your screen of what's showing up on the web page. If you actually go over things, you actually see what that code corresponds to on the web page. So here we have the B+. We can actually change this B+ to an A. Yeah, I just did that. Enter, boom, there's your A. Cut down here, B+. Let's highlight this, right click it, inspect it. Let's give ourselves an A-. Let's not make it too suspect. Come down here. You know, I love my capitalism, my entrepreneurship. I have to give myself an A+ on this one. So come here, A+, and boom. Now, there's a trick to this. This doesn't stay on here forever, you know, because if that was the case, web pages would never stay the way they are, and everything would just be changed. This is here until you refresh the web page. So take a screenshot, print it out, do whatever you gotta do, and show your parents those straight A's. As you see here, if I resubmit this page and I change it, it goes back to the way it was. So know what you're doing, be smart about it, and yeah, get that new car you always wanted. If you like this video, if you used it, found it helpful, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be coming at you with more videos soon.
Did you think it was...